Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and this is the Ilco Auto Truck Key Blank Reference Guide. The one in front of me here is the 2019 version. Ilco's been making these for years, and I imagine they'll continue to do so in the future. Now, in the links below, I'll put a link to the printed version, like I got in front of me here, and they also have a PDF version, so you can download and start using that immediately. Now let me open it up and I'll show you what's inside and kind of the basic information that it's going to give you. So if you open here, you're going to see the kind of the table of contents here. There's some VIN information. Then below it's going to show all the manufacturers it works for, from Acura all the way to Yugo. And let me open it up to a page here and we'll take a look at the information it gives us. So if we look right here, I'm in the Dodge section, and if we go right up here to the top to the Journey, Dodge Journey here, and it goes like the start to end date, 2009 to 2015. Lock apps, which means does it work for all locks? Does it? What's the key for the door or for the trunk or the valet key? It's going to give you all that information if it's available. It's going to go into the code series, so this is going to be the M1 to M2618 code series. For the key blanks for this particular vehicle, it's going to say it's the dealer fob. Ilco's actually recently come out with a bunch of fobs, so I'm sure in the next year or so these will be updated. But the transponder key you can use is going to be the Y170 PT. It's going to tell you that you can onboard programming it using the program F, which is in the very back of the book. It's also going to tell you can program it with the Smart Pro or the MVP, the TKO. If you go over here a little farther, it's going to tell you the substitutes. So it's going to tell you that the service key is the Y159. So if you're going to be cutting this key by code, it's best to cut it on a Y159, make sure it works, and then duplicate it onto the Y170. It's also going to tell you the emergency key for the fob is going to be the Y171P. It's going to tell you that the transponder chip in the Y170 is going to be the Phillips 46. And then it's going to give you the card number, which is 745, if you were going to be cutting it on the with a Ilco code card. Now, if we come back here, the next little section you see here, this is the cloning section. So this essentially is giving you all the part numbers. It's pretty much telling you that you need a GTI or a GTH chip along with the Y170 chipless key or U-blade. It's telling you can use the RW4 Plus or the Easy clone to do that. And then this information is just going to be the same here. So this is a really great basic reference guide if you are looking to look up automotive key blanks. And like I said, in the notes below, I'll have the links that you can download this immediately and start using it. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.